Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Dewalt Extension Bit is probably one of the most essential tools in any DIYer's or professional's arsenal, offering unparalleled versatility and reach for those tricky, hard-to-access spots that would otherwise be impossible to tackle with a standard drill or impact driver, making it an indispensable accessory for a wide range of fastening and drilling tasks. Number 5. DeWalt 14-piece Screwdriver Bit Set, DW2097CS. Introducing the DeWalt 14-piece Screwdriver Bit Set. This set is designed for precision and ease of use in all your projects. The magnetic drive guide securely holds your screwdriver bits. This ensures a stable connection for driving screws into various materials. Everything fits neatly inside a handy carrying case. The molder inside keeps your bits organized and accessible. Experience enhanced stability with the self-retracting guide. It eliminates wobbling and slipping for a cleaner, more accurate drive. Your safety is prioritized. The self-retracting guide sleeve protects your fingers and keeps screws firmly in place during operation. What we like. This set offers exceptional screw control with its magnetic drive guides and self-retracting sleeve. It minimizes wobbling and slipping for cleaner drives. If you're looking for a way to improve accuracy and protect your fingers while working with standard bits, this is a great choice. What people say. The bit holder is very strong and durable. It is easy to use and fits well with my drills. The extension bit is perfect for reaching tight spaces. Number 4. DeWalt Right Angle Drill Attachment DWAMRASETFT. Experience up to 10x longer life thanks to its advanced long-life gears. This attachment is engineered for durability, ensuring it keeps up with your toughest jobs. Get into those hard-to-reach areas with its incredibly low 1.5-inch head height. It provides ultimate accessibility without compromising on power or performance. It's impact-ready, designed to handle the immense power of modern impact drivers. You can rely on its strength for any demanding task. Featuring a rare earth magnet, it securely holds fasteners for easy one-handed use. This makes complex tasks simpler and more efficient. With a robust metal gear case and quick bit ejection, it offers both durability and convenience. It's built to withstand the rigors of any job site. Enjoy reduced vibration thanks to its patented handle design. This ensures greater comfort and control during extended use. What we like. Experience superior durability with its long-life gears and impact-ready design. The compact head height allows for ultimate accessibility in tight spots. If you need a robust attachment that can handle powerful impact drivers and reach difficult areas, this is the one for you. What people say. Got into a tight spot that no other tool would have done. That right angle attachment is the best. In the very tight interior space of my pellet stove, using this brilliant drill attachment kit with Pop Tools Twist Stubby Drill Bit Set, size 332 foot to 3/8, I was able to bore through the center of the corroded existing bolts with precision. The flex extension is stout and holds its position without sagging while you're busy doing other stuff. It will be in the same position when you come back to it. Number 3. DeWalt Magnetic Bit Holder DW2055B. Introducing the DeWalt Magnetic Bit Holder, designed for efficient screw driving. Its magnetic feature ensures secure placement for your screws. This tool securely holds screws in place, allowing for precise and stable driving. Experience a more controlled and effective workflow. Safety is paramount. The integrated sleeve provides essential protection for your fingers, preventing accidental injuries during use. Count on its robust design for consistent performance. It's built to handle your driving tasks with confidence and durability. Part of the trusted DeWalt Accessories line, this bit holder is a valuable addition to your toolkit. Get the job done right with DeWalt. What we like. This magnetic bit holder provides a secure grip on screws, preventing drops and making one-handed operation easier. The protective sleeve adds an extra layer of safety for your fingers. If you frequently work with screws and want a simple, reliable tool to keep them in place and protect your hands, consider this. What people say. Really speeds things up when you have a lot to screw in. And it saves your gloves from wearing out so much when holding screws to get them started. This Dewalt bit holder sleeve works well. It holds the bit securely and should last a long time. Number 2. Dewalt Right Angle Flex Shaft Attachment, DWARAFS. Introducing the Dewalt Right Angle Attachment. Its rapid load head makes changing bits quick and simple. The 90-degree head and flexible shaft are designed to access those hard-to-reach areas with ease. Experience superior performance with its enhanced magnetic holding power. It offers up to 10 times the average holding power compared to the DW2505. This versatile attachment is perfect for various drilling tasks. Its flexible shaft allows for maneuverability in confined spaces. Trust in Dewalt's commitment to quality. This attachment combines innovative design with practical functionality for your projects. What we like. Its 90-degree head and flexible shaft are designed to reach those incredibly tight spaces where standard drills can't. The rapid load head ensures quick and easy bit changes. If you often find yourself needing to work in confined areas, this attachment will be invaluable. What people say. Well-made right angle for very tight spaces. About 2.25 inches from back to face of hex chuck. Flexible shaft means the drill does not need to get really close to the work. This is going to be very useful when working on the car or the motorcycle for running on or off fasteners in tight places where the bulky, cordless drill can't reach. This worked very well for me. I did not stress it with the work I did, so I am not sure how many RPMs it will take before it fails, but it appears to be a sturdy piece of kit that will last for quite some time if not abused. Number 1. DeWalt DWMT73807 15-piece accessory toolkit. Introducing the DeWalt DWMT73807, a 15-piece accessory toolkit designed for your needs. This set offers convenience and durability for any task. Keep your tools organized with its lockable and stackable design. It also features a removable inner tray for easy access and customization. No more guessing which socket to use. The hard stamped markings ensure quick and easy identification, saving you time and frustration. Experience superior handling with the knurled ring. It provides added control when you're working with the sockets, ensuring a secure grip. We stand by our quality. This toolkit comes with a full lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. Rest assured, this kit exceeds ANSI specifications. It's built to perform and built to last, meeting the highest industry standards. What we like. This kit offers excellent organization with its lockable and stackable design, featuring a removable tray for easy access. The sockets are clearly marked for identification. If you value a well-organized toolset that's built to last and comes with a full lifetime warranty, this accessory kit is a smart investment. What people say. I have primarily used the extensions while working on vehicles and for routine maintenance, and have not found a situation where these extensions and parts haven't met my needs. Even for bolts that are far down in cars, the extension length has been more than sufficient. I also appreciate the variety of parts that this kit comes equipped with and appreciate having access to both flexible joint pieces and extensions of various sizes. High-quality accessory tool kit. Very useful for deep bolts or hard-to-reach places. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.